Welcome to the Learning English channel. Short stories. The dinner of a father and son.
In the evening, a son took his old father to a restaurant for dinner. Due to his extreme age and weakness, the father spilled food on his shirt and pants when he was eating. While his son was quiet, the other diners looked on with disgust. After he finished eating, his son, who was not at all embarrassed, gently led him to the bathroom, where he carefully removed food remnants, cleaned up stains, combed his hair, and securely fastened his eyeglasses. When they came out, the entire restaurant was watching them in dead silence, not able to grasp how someone would embarrass themselves publicly like that. After paying the bill, the son and his father started to leave. At that time, an old man among the diners called out to the son and asked him, "Don't you think you have left something behind?" The son replied, "No, sir, I haven't." The old man retorted, "Yes, you have. You left a lesson for every son and hope for every father." The restaurant went silent. Lessons in this story. To care for those who once cared for us is one of the highest honors. We all know how our parents cared for us for every little thing. Love them, respect them, and care for them. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.